Good day everyone. My name is Jinky Dakanay from SIT Block C. Ang gagawin ko ay user registration, login, CAPTCHA, middleware, and user roles, admin or user. Ang objective is students will create a basic web application with user registration, login, CAPTCHA integration, middleware, and user roles, admin or user, with added functionality for handling success messages and displaying validation errors. Requirements: user registration, form creation. Build the form to collect name, email, and password. Include the CSRF directive in the form to generate a CSRF token to prevent CSRF attacks. Validation and data handling. Validate inputs, name, email, format, passwords, and strength. Hash the password before saving. Integrate Google reCAPTCHA to prevent automated submissions. Validate the reCAPTCHA on the back end. Insert user data into the database upon registration. Assign a default role upon registration. Ito po yung and ito yung sa reCAPTCHA. Sa controller naman, kapag nag-input ka ng user, ito yung Google reCAPTCHA validation and yung hash password niya. Ito po yung sa may password strength. So, try na. Pag konti lang yung password or hindi mahaba pag fail siya. Ayan po. The password field must be at least 8 characters. Dapat po 8 characters or letter pahaba. Ayan. Meron na. Registration successful. Success and error handling. Display a success message. Registration. Which is ito. Registration successful. Show validation error message below the form fields if there are validation errors. Gawin naman natin. Ayan, invalid credentials. Yan yung show validation error message below the form fields if there are validation errors. Highlight in fields with errors in red and retain the old values in the form fields. So, user login, form creation. Create a login form for email and password. Put the CSRF directive in the login form from the CSRF protection. And ito po yung code. Email and password. CSRF for protection. Authentication. Authenticate users and maintain their login status using sessions. And middleware. Root access control. Implement middleware to restrict access to certain roles. Like dashboard. Authenticated users attempting to access protected roles should be redirected to the login page. Create a role-based middleware to restrict access based on user roles, user or admin. User roles, user and admin role management. Assign roles to users, user and admin during registration or beyond and panel. Strict access to admin specific roles for users with admin role only. Logout. By the logout option that ends the session and redirects to the login page. Ensure that the logout action is protected against CSRF by including the CSRF directive in the logout form or link. Balik tayo dito sa may logging out ng account. Kakamali. Tapos maglalag ako. Yan, you have been logged out successfully. Yun lang po.